Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day, and actually not just today, over the course of a couple of days. This is a really requested video, and I really also wanted to make it. I was honestly just not really making it because I had to do this full spiel about why I changed my eating. I know that it's very different from how I ate before, and I just wanted to make a proper explanation from why I switched and how it's been working and all of that. If you want to hear why I switched from eating a certain way, then please stay till the end of the video. I think it will make a lot more sense if you hear that. But I'm just going to show you a couple of meals that I like to eat. I'm not going to only film it today, but I'm going to be filming it over the course of a couple of days just to give you guys more food, because everyone loves food, and I'm excited to show you guys what I eat on a typical day. So let's just get right on into what I eat, not in a day, but in life generally. Let's go. So I sometimes get hungry at school, which is why I pack a little snack. Inside the container, I usually have a fruit, and I usually pick pears because I like them a lot better than apples. And then I also make these oat clusters. I will leave the recipe down below. There's no fat in them, and it's basically just bananas and dates that are their main ingredients. And I will show you guys what I eat when I get home, because on most days I come home period 5, so I get to eat at my house. Hello, peoples over the internet. Oh, you're in it. I'm home from school. It's 1:52 and I'm really hungry, so therefore I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna take 2 of these small sized potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna use this thing. It's called an air fryer, and I'm basically gonna make fries, but without using any oils or anything like that, fat related. I'm just going to be using the air fryer to make them crispy. By the way, these are already cooked. Now that I have cut the potatoes, I'm going to put them in this little tray. Because the potatoes are already cooked and I'm basically just crisping them up, I'm gonna put the temperature at around 300. I put the function on air fry and put it on for around 10 minutes. This is literally one of my favorite things to have, and when we have it for dinner, I get so excited because I just love potatoes. Any type of potato I love. And while that is cooking, I'm going to be literally just putting a salad in a bowl. So my mom actually makes our whole family these batches of salads, which we are obsessed with, especially with the dressing that we make. So this salad has a spring mix, carrots, cucumbers, peppers, and onions. But the thing that makes this salad really nice is the dressing that we make that is completely oil and fat free, but it tastes so flippin' good. Basically, this is made out of balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and some dates. I will put the recipe down below. It's called a 3-2-1 recipe, but we don't actually use as many dates as it says. I think we use a little bit less because we don't want it too sweet. Here is what they normally look like when they're done. They basically just look like regular fries, but it's cool because we didn't use any oils to cook them in. And then we also use this ketchup that is sweetened with stevia instead of sugar. And that is going to be my lunch. So it is now dinner time. I actually just did a workout, so I'm pretty hungry, and I'm gonna go downstairs and see what we have for dinner. So for dinner, I'm starting with some rice, and over here I have veggies. And keep in mind, these aren't cooked in oil. And I'm gonna take some of that. It's kind of like a little stir fry. Looks really yummy. Thanks, Mom. What I really like to do when I'm having rice, or basically just any food in general, I like to add hot sauce. And my favorite is the Frank's Red Hot Sauce. I put that on everything.
Frank's Red Hot Sauce, I put that on everything.
I'm just gonna put a generous amount on my meal. And this is what my dinner looks like, so I'm going to eat this. Look at all my friends. Hey guys. Hey Phil. How you doing? I'm just eating my dinner. I'm filming what I ate in a day. I see ya. So I usually pack my lunch the night before because I don't want to be stressed in the morning. I usually just bring leftovers. I'm gonna pack it up, and then in the morning I microwave it, and then I put it in this actually really cute rose gold thermos. Hello guys, today it is the next morning and I'm gonna show you guys what I normally eat for breakfast. This is a very colorful breakfast and I think it's a really nice picture. Anyways, so I'm gonna have some vitamin D first. I like to take that every morning. And then I have some oatmeal, and in here are steel cut oats, chia, and some frozen berries like strawberries and blueberries. I also sometimes like to put bananas in there, or I'll eat it by themselves. Have some cinnamon on there today. And to help with the spike in my blood sugars, I usually eat greens, which is like really supposed to help, especially if you eat like high carb foods. I think this is just spinach, and I just put some broth in there or water, and then some salt and some seasoning. So I'm gonna eat this and then I head to the bus. I usually have to like chow down this really fast, but today I actually left some time, so I'm gonna eat this. See ya at school. Hey guys, it is another day and I just wanted to show you guys another snack that I like to eat. We actually make hummus by ourselves, like at home. The reason why we do this is because we don't use any oils or fat to make it, which most hummuses usually have like some type of oil in it. We make it in our food processor, and I'll put the recipe down below on how we make it. But I'm just going to be having some carrots and some of that hummus. It's a really easy and simple snack and it keeps you full and it's just really yummy. So that's what I'm eating today, everyone. So I guess I'll see you the next time I'm eating, which will probably be very soon. Hi guys! I'm at the mall right now and I'm not gonna disclose my exact location because I don't want to die. So I'm having dinner now. I'm with someone, you probably don't know her. Kind of a stranger, don't know why I'm sitting with her. Anyways, we went to this teriyaki place and I basically just got these like rice noodles and then they just cook it in water. And then I got some vegetables and I put sriracha sauce on it because that's just how Sadie's do it in this day and age. So I'm gonna just chow this down. So I just wanted to end off this video giving a little explanation on why I switched the way I used to eat to the way I eat now, because it is very different, I know, and it's probably weird for you guys to like see me do the switch without really an explanation. So I'm gonna try to make this as short but as understandable as possible. A few years ago, I started eating low carb, high fat because I wanted to manage my diabetes better and just have a better control over my blood sugars. I love doing that because it helps my blood sugars be more predictable and stable and more of a flat line instead of like spiking and going low all the time, and my A1C was definitely lower. The insulin that I would need would continue to get like more and more, and it was getting really annoying because I wasn't eating that many carbs although I was taking all of this insulin. I was craving carbs, I gained weight really easily, I was constantly bloated, and my A1C was creeping back up to like higher numbers. So no matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't keep my blood sugars as flat as they were before, like when I started this way of eating. For example, when I had high blood sugar, it would take a lot of corrections to get me down, and I just wasn't comfortable taking that much insulin. And I realized that all of these negative symptoms that I was feeling was because I developed something called insulin resistance. And if you guys want like a full definition and like what it actually is, you guys can just Google insulin resistance for diabetics. After my mom did a bunch of research on this situation and what I could really do to like get back into those good blood sugar days, and she discovered this program called Mastering Diabetes. This involves switching to a high carb, low fat, plant-based diet. I'm not going to lie, the switch over to this new way of eating was very tricky, and it took a long time for my blood sugars to stable and for the insulin resistance to stop happening. But the results that I've seen are really great. The amount of insulin that I need right now is a fraction of what I was taking when I was eating high fat, low carb, even though I'm eating way more carbs than I did before, and that's because my insulin resistance went down. And if I ever have a high blood sugar, I take a correction and I come down right away every single time. I have so much energy, like the food I'm eating literally gives me so much energy, and I just feel way less bloated. I used to be bloated every single day when I used to eat high fat, and now I never feel bloated, and I'm also back at my normal weight. My A1C is going back down to where it was before, and I get to eat some flippin' awesome food. Like I literally get to eat oatmeal, tons of fruit, potatoes, like literally everything that I love, I get to eat it now, when I also wasn't a big fan of meat anyways. But I am definitely still trying to figure out exactly how much insulin to take. I'm still not perfectly stable. I'm definitely getting to that point and I'm still learning. I'm still in that transition transition sort of period, but the results that I have seen have made me really excited for this. So if you guys want to learn more about the program, it's really dangerous to not do it with the program because it's such a big switch. It's really dangerous not to have some guidance, so definitely check out the program Mastering Diabetes. They were so helpful, so supportive. They can answer all of your questions. So yeah, I'm really excited about this way of eating. I just love oatmeal. That's basically the point. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. Let me know if you guys want more. I have tons of other snacks and meals that I can show you, and that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Stay healthy, kids.